Fuck it. Ross.
Missing,
bro. No, them man, them fucking...
Missing.
That's sad.
Missing, bro.
That's fucking sad, man. Them man, them will freeze to death in this fucking weather. And ain't more fool me to come out like this, man. Yeah, now. So what, is just you on this show tonight, or?
Yeah, just me and a couple of DJs.
Yeah?
DJ Hot Stepper and Shanguli. Hot Stepper is big still.
Yeah, he's big.
Yeah, you one gonna tear that up, man.
Yeah, so I'm not even performing.
Huh?
They just pay me to come make an appearance in the club.
Yeah, what's that, 11 till 1?
Yeah, so I think so, something like that. So I'm just gonna go up in there, they bring us bottles of drink, be like the gallon we're doing, is in it? Partying vibes. Swear down, that's fed.
Oh, fuck.
Swear down. Oh, is that a reverse?
Is that feds?
Is it?
It's feds.
There we are, man. What's going on here?
Nothing, I just...
Step out of the car for me.
Oh, come on, look, my hands
Step out of the car. Yeah?
What's the matter?
What's your name?
Marvin Sterling. No, I'm stepping out.
Yeah,
Come on,
step
bro.
out of the car, fella.
What's going on?
I'm going back. Smell some cannabis in the car, fella. You smoking?
No, seriously, what's going on, bro? Why am I...
We've had reports. We've had a suspicious vehicle driving around the estate.
Yeah.
This car fits the bill.
No, but you're arresting me straight away.
Fella,
I'm not
fella.
resisting, but I'm
Just
asking
I'm
what's
going
going
back.
on. You're nicking me and
Yes.
you're telling
I
what's
want
going
so I
on.
don't hurt yourself or hurt myself. You with him?
Excuse me, are you anything to do with this?
Come on, can anyone see
Just
what's
do me a
going
favour, put your
on?
arms behind your back a minute. Yeah? Arms on the back. Where you going tonight, guys? Yeah?
I'm not going anywhere, bro.
No? A little bit tight, ain't they?
Yeah.
My bad, sorry.
Honestly, bro, man, seriously. What's
There's
going
a bit of
on
cannabis
here?
in the car. Just stand on the side, mate. Yeah? Can you search the car for us? Where's your friends? They seem to have left you. You don't know them guys, but you're in their vehicle. So what's the score? What's the crack? I'm not insinuating anything. You got picked up for what?
I'm seeing guys in a white car pulling up beside me.
Yeah.
These are run off.
Firearm!
Fire off. Call the Trojan unit now.
Can I have a Trojan unit, please?
I'm arresting you in possession of a firearm to endanger life. You do not have to say anything, but anything you do say may be taken down and given against you in evidence. Understand what I'm saying? Just sit in the car for me, boss. Yeah? You got anything on you that you shouldn't have? That's going to harm me or harm you? You sure? I'm going to search you, yeah?
Trust me.
No problem. So where was your friends, fella? You don't know them, but you're in their vehicle, they've made off and left you.
Exactly my point. That's why I'm upset right now. And now you're telling me there's a firearm.
Firearm in the car. Just sit in the car for me, man.
Anyway, I'm not going to say when I forget. But I'm being honest with you.
You're in the vehicle, my friend.
That's what I'm trying to say to you.
You're in the vehicle. Come and sit in that car.
So what am I arrested for that?
Possession of a firearm to endanger life.
You got trapped, you got trapped, you got trapped, you got trapped, nigga! Shut up, bro, you got trapped like a motherfucker! Yeah!
It worked. That was a good one.
Yeah.
It was good.
My nigga, no. It's my nigga, I had to show him love.
It was good.
Fucking got me. You got me? It's a new show. It's a new show.